Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MaryLanae, and in today's video is going to be a little wind down. It's really gloomy outside, and I thought that this would be the perfect time to take a reflection, take a step back, and actually take care of myself. And just have a nice self-care day. So that's what today's video is going to be about. I think it's really important for us to remember to take care of ourselves, especially in these times. It's so stressful and unpredictable. So if you want to get a cup of tea, cup of coffee, do your hair while you watch this video, that'll be cool. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get into this video. Now, I'm going to be talking to you while you see me take care of myself and while I eat this cookie that is actually kind of hard now, but oh well. So to start off with my self-care day, I decided that I was going to turn my phone on Do Not Disturb and not, be distracted by anything that was happening. And I was going to put on some new music that I've been wanting to listen to and give my time to. I don't really like to just, listen to new songs like out of whim. I really want to take the time to listen to them because I really love music, and I really want to fully appreciate the art and the work that went into the songs and the album or whatever. So I usually like to do it when I'm completely relaxed and I can be completely focused on what is going on with these songs. So yeah, let's just unplug and get in tune with ourselves today. You owe it to yourself to just give yourself a day to feel good and to pamper yourself and just feel like, I feel like sometimes when my hair looks good, when my face feels good, I feel good, and that, even though the world may be a little crazy right now, at least those things are okay. So the first thing that I do for my hair self-care is I pre-poo my hair, and usually I have like a pre-poo pack, but since the circumstances, I didn't want to go to the store just for that, so I created my own of just the conditioner that I had on hand and some oil, and it really helps to detangle your hair, and it helps to keep the oils that you need in your hair that sometimes get stripped away during shampooing. So I wanted to make sure that I just did a good pre-poo, detangled my hair and everything like that. Then while the pre-poo was, sitting in my hair for a little bit, I thought it would be a perfect time to do some oil cleansing. Oil cleansing is like what they say, fight fire with fire. You use oil to match with the oils already in your skin that's clogged your pores. So oil attracts oil. So when you use an oil cleanser, you're using oil to bring out the oils in your face, bring out all the gunk that you have left in your face throughout the day. It's really good to do this at nighttime, but since it's my self-care day, I decided to do it right in the middle of whatever time of day I was doing this, just because I wanted that full massage, like deep cleansing. And when you do oil cleansing, it's like a face massage, like a facial, like you're really massaging everywhere. I like to do it a good 15 minutes because when the longer you do it, the more things come out of your face. Like you can literally feel the little beadies and little blackheads and whiteheads just coming out of your face, and it's like one of the weirdest / coolest things you could do. So then after all that is done, my pre-poo was in there for a while. I oil cleansed for a good amount of time. It's time to take a shower and wash all of the gunk that's been in my hair, all of the oil from my face, just everything get out. I think I just took my hair out of like these twists that I had, so it was about time that I washed my hair, because I usually leave my hair out after I've had braids in for a while just to let it breathe, and then I wash it out. And I think taking a really good hot shower on a self-care day is because it literally just like relaxes your muscles, you loosen up your body, you know, you lose all that tension that you've been feeling that's been, you know, built up on you. I really love to deep condition. Of course, again, I couldn't go to the store, so I wasn't able to really deep condition my hair with the ones that I usually like to use. So I just did my conditioner again, and I left it in for about 15 to 30 minutes and just let it seep into my scalp, into my strands to really moisturize it. I really love deep conditioning, but I also do a conditioner after I wash out the deep conditioner because I just want as much moisture to come back into my hair as possible. And I just love how my curls look when I do a deep conditioner. They just come out so bouncy and so healthy. And then the next part, which for some people can be the longest part, but for me I kind of like it because, I don't know, it's really relaxing and you just take your time. It's actually doing your hair. So I poured myself a glass of wine. I poured a cranberry / tonic port, you know, little concoction with an orange slice, which is so good. I think it was cran apple and tonic port. Try it, it's really good. And yeah, I just sat there and did my hair, watched a couple videos, and I really felt so much better after just taking care of my body. I'm telling you, when you take care of your body responds in such good ways. And there's so many ways to actually take care of your body. Like, you can take care of your mind by journaling. You can take care of your body by exercising. You can take care of your hair by giving it the care that it needs. There's so many things that you can do. Last thing I want to say is that I know this has been a really stressful couple of days, and you know, a lot of our mental health can be in jeopardy, but I just encourage you all to take a couple of hours or a whole day to just take care of your body and give it the care and the love that it needs. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that this really gave people ideas of what they can do to self-care. It doesn't have to be an extravagant thing. You don't have to go to like a big spa or stuff like that. You can do all these in your own home. I really hope that everybody out there is just safe and they're taking care of themselves, taking care of their loved ones, and just doing things to help you through these times. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm trying my best to do more content for you guys. Have a good day. Have a good self-care day, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good self-care day, and I will see you